good afternoon. Well, it's Friday afternoon here in the Philippines, and I am here currently sitting in front of my computer. It's gloomy. I was about to go for a walk and exercise, but it rained, so I decided to just stay inside the house. Anyway, I am recording this because as I have been documenting my journey since I arrived here in the Philippines, and I have been very transparent, I've been very straightforward of what I was feeling before. Like for the past few weeks, until now, I have been feeling very strange about myself, right? Like, I feel like whenever I would go to a certain area, there's like a force which is making my body numb, making me dizzy. It's either a sharp pain in my chest, like a tingling sensation in every part of my body, my lips, wherever that is, right? So those are the questions that I have in mind. Like, what is the reason? Why am I feeling all these certain things? Like, am I being made to be a superhuman? I am not a superhuman. I am a person. I am subject to emotions, to pain. Right now, as I have been complaining, I know it's bad to complain, but I am being very honest about what I am feeling right now. Like, I couldn't feel my heartbeat. I couldn't feel my heartbeat. Like, my internal body is completely numb, and I don't know why. I have been recording this. I have been very transparent about it. Sometimes I would wake up in the morning like I'm so dizzy, like I have been beaten up. There was a time, like a week or so ago, I was walking, and I was walking because I need to catch some fresh air, and there's like the post on the street is like pulling me towards it. Like there is a wire attracting me to, and it feels so different. It's painful, it hurts, and I'm trying to be strong. I'm trying to remain hopeful, because I have so many questions in my mind. Why this is being done to me? Why are you doing this to me? I have been very straightforward, being honest from the very beginning, and all I need is an answer. I want legal procedure. I want paper. I want an explanation, because this is so inhuman. I don't deserve this after all the things that I have done. So again, this is going to be a recording that I am thinking of posting on my social media. So if I am being house arrested, why is it? If I am being wired, why is it? I need an answer. I need an explanation to that.